Hello, Lala Nene. Happy 70th birthday. Please have a blessed birthday. Love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Viviana. Wish you all the best and always keep smiling to keep you young. Happy birthday, my dear sister, for your 70th more birthday to come. Wow, love you.
Happy birthday po, Auntie Nick. Ingat po kayo palagi. God bless po. Happy birthday po ng marami.
Hello, Vivian! Happy birthday! Malayo na ang narating mo. Makapag-tour ka na ng Europe. Kami, dito tour kami sa Philippines.
Happy birthday, Ipag! Happy birthday! Congratulations para sa iyong kaarawan. Ano yan, ha? Kota ka na, 70, no?
Kota na yan, kota.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! More birthdays to come pa rin.
Good health. God bless.
God bless. Bye-bye.
Happy 70th birthday, Lola Nene.
Happy birthday, Lola. Love you.
Hello po, Lola Nene. Happy birthday po. Happy 70th birthday po sa inyo. At sana po ay mas lalo pa po umaba ang buhay nyo. At maraming birthday pa po ang darating para sa inyo. At maging masaya kayo sa araw ng birthday nyo. Miss na ko na po kayo at mahal na mahal ko po kayo dyan. Ingat po kayo lagi. Love you la. Happy 70th birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Lola Nene. I wish to you have a good health, good life, and long life. Happy birthday. We love you. I love you, Lola Nene.
Happy birthday, Lola Nene. I love you, Ma. Happy birthday, Auntie Nene. We love you. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. I love you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Lola Nene. We wish you a more beautiful and healthier life. We love you. Mwah. Hey, Lola Nene. I love you po.
Hi, Auntie Nene. Happy birthday. Wish you good health, long life, and more travel. Enjoy your special day.
Good morning po, Lola Nene. Happy 70th birthday po sa inyo. Lagi po namin kayo pinagdadasal at lagi po kayo mag-iingat yan. I love you po. Happy 70th birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday po, Auntie Nene. I wish you all the best and more blessings to come po. Take care po palagi.
Happy birthday, Tita Vivian. Wish you all the best po. And God bless you always. Kita-kits po soon. At ingat po kayo parate.
Kay Tita, happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo dyan. God bless.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Ayusin happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday.
Hello. Happy birthday, my dearest sister. Wishing you all the best, especially your health and your success, okay? I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Marita. Wishing you good health, happiness, and more wonderful years to come. I hope you enjoy your day and see you.
Happy birthday, Viviana. Wish you all the best. Enjoy your birthday and may you have more glorious years to come. See you soon. God bless.
Hello, Vivian. Maligayang kaarawan. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Patuloy nawa yung kalakasan ay patuloy mo pang maranasan. yung ating mga taon ay gugulin natin na may lakas at may kagalakan. Salamat sa Panginoon sa buhay mo. Nawa ay patuloy pa tayong pagpalain ng Panginoon para sa pamilya mo, sa mga apo mo, at patuloy ma-enjoy mo ang iyong araw. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! We miss you na. We love you. Bye!
Hi Antene, kumusta ka na? Kumusta na kayo dyan lahat? In behalf of pamilya ni Enting at Lilia, ay binabati kita ng happy birthday. Dalangin ko para sa iyo ang mahabang buhay, maayos na kalusugan at pangangatawan. Maraming salamat din sa mga tulong na ibinigay mo sa aming magkakapatid, sa aming lahat. Lagi kang mag-iingat dyan sa lahat ng oras at huwag mong pababayaan ang iyong sarili. God bless you more and more.
Hello, good morning. Good morning dyan sa inyo sa Amerika. Dito naman sa Japan is good evening na. Gusto ko lang bumati sa'yo, Tita Bibian, ng happy birthday. Happy birthday. Dapat happy din ako dahil nagsasabi ko ng happy birthday to you. And sana enjoy your birthday celebration. May surprise guest ka. I hope na and I wish na marami pang birthday ang dumating and mahabang buhay, long life for you, and more blessing from God. Hello. Continue ko lang kasi may tumawag kaya naputol. Enjoy ka na lang sa birthday mo, sa mga guests mo, at saka sa family mo, sa mga kapatid mo. Enjoy your birthday. And I love you, Tita Bibian. Mahal na mahal ka namin magkakapatid. Dahil alam mo naman, ikaw ang pinakamahal ng nanay namin. Kaya, ingatan mo sarili mo para makasama ka pa namin na matagal. Okay, love you.
Hello guys, babatiin lang namin happy birthday si Lola Nene. Happy birthday, Lola Nene.
Happy birthday, Auntie Nene. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Hindi yung birthday to. Birthday ng Auntie Nene. Happy birthday. Sana'y mabusog mo kami dalawa ni Aaron.
Happy birthday, Lola Nene. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Auntie Nene. Happy birthday.
Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Love you, Auntie Nene.
Love you, Lola Nene.
Hi team, message for Lola. Nene.
Hi Lola! I love you po Lola. Thank you po sa lahat-lahat. Yan lang po. God bless.
Shinen. Message for Lola Nene.
Hello, good evening. Happy birthday, Auntie Nene. More birthday cook to come. And good health. Love
Happy
you.
birthday, Auntie Nene. Stay healthy, stay strong, and be happy always. Love you.
Hello, Lola Nene. Happy 70th birthday po. Sana umaba pa ang buhay nyo at malagi kayong maging masaya. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Happy birthday, Lola Ne. Happy at 70th birthday. Miss na miss ka na namin. Sana humaba pa ng mahaba ang buhay mo. We love you!
We love you. We love you, hindi I love you. We love you, Lola Nene. I miss you. Happy birthday po.
Good morning, Auntie Nene. Happy 70th birthday. Lagi kang mag-iingat. I miss you. Kamusta na lang sa mga pisang ko. At sa mga apo-apo mong cute. Lagi ka namin pinagdadasal. Salamat sa mga tulong at pagmamahal mo sa amin, Auntie Nene. Lagi kang mag-iingat parati. Love you. Miss you, Auntie Nene. I love you. Happy birthday ulit. Ingat ka. Ingat, Tine. Miss you. Bye-bye. Love you. Happy birthday, Tine.
Po, Lola Nene, happy 70th birthday po. Ingat po kayo lagi dyan. Kamusta na lang po? Ingat po, love you po.
Happy birthday, Lola Nene. Enjoy your day. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Lola Nene. We love you.
Sa tita kong mahal, Tita Vivian, happy birthday sa'yo. Wish you good health, more birthday and more blessing to come. Kahit na medyo napapagalitan mo ko, wala sa akin yun. Dahil sa totoo lang, isa ka sa pinakamamahal kong tita. Isa ka sa nagmahal ng tunay sa aking mga magulang. Hangad ko ang iyong kaligayahan at mahaba pang buhay. Sana enjoy mo yung life. Huwag kang nang mag-isip ng mga problema. Enjoy life lang, Tita Vivian. Love na love ka namin. Wish you good health. Love you.
Happy 70th birthday, Auntie Nene. It's your birthday, but thank you for giving us the gift of love. We love you so much. Mwah.
Hi, Lola. First of all, I want to thank you for everything. For all the love and care. And also, I will never forget those days when you happened to be one of my biggest supporters. Especially when I needed it most. May Jehovah God bless you with all the joy and good health as long as you live. I love you, Lola, with all my heart.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sa isa sa pinaka-paborito kong tita, Tita Vivian, maligayang kaarawan. Wishing you good health, happiness, and more blessings ahead. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Enjoy your special day. This is Bing. I love you.